10 Rarest Ford Muscle Cars. Ford muscle cars, admired by generations, boast powerful engines, strong horsepower, and commanding designs. The iconic Mustang, born in 1964, symbolizes American automotive prowess with its potent V8 engines and sleek look. The Falcon, produced from 1960 to 1970, impresses with its compact size and performance. The Torino, from 1968 to 1976, stands out for its muscular engines and bold styling. These cars have left an enduring mark, igniting passion among enthusiasts worldwide. So in this video, we'll tell you about the 10 rarest Ford muscle cars. So stay tuned till the end. But before starting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And now, let's get started. 10. 1968 Mercury Cougar GTE. Back in 1967, the Cougar snagged the Motor Trend Car of the Year award, setting itself apart from the Mustang despite similarities. With a longer wheelbase and beefier frame, the Cougar boasted unique features, notably its powerful 390 engine. In 1968, Mercury introduced the GTE 7-liter, flaunting a formidable 390 horsepower 427 engine not found in the Mustang. Later that year, they added the 335 horsepower 428 Cobra Jet to the GTE 7-liter lineup. Only 37 of these vehicles were produced, with 3 featuring 4-speed transmissions and the rest equipped with C6 automatic transmissions, according to data from the Cougar GTE registry. 9. 1965 Ford Galaxie. The 1965 Ford Galaxie stood as a symbol of the American muscle car era, boasting a robust presence with its sleek design and formidable V8 engine. Car aficionados were drawn to its blend of speed and sophistication. Under the hood, the Galaxie offered a range of engine options, from the 289 cubic inch V8 to the impressive 427 cubic inch V8, which packed a punch with its 425 horsepower output. Yet, the Galaxie wasn't solely focused on sheer power. Its interior was spacious and comfortable, catering to families as well as thrill seekers. With a suspension that provided a smooth glide and responsive steering, drivers experienced a sense of mastery behind the wheel. 8. 1970 Ford Torino Cobra. In 1970, Ford revamped the Torino, making it a standout on the road, challenging rivals like the Chevy Chevelles and Plymouth Roadrunners. The Torino Cobra stole the show with its new 429 cubic inch engine, offering 3 variants. The base 429 4V boasted 360 horsepower, while the 429 Cobra Jet packed 370 horses with extra upgrades like a bigger carburetor. For enthusiasts craving top performance, there was the 429 Super Cobra Jet with the drag pack option, underrated at 375 horsepower. Ford produced 7,675 Torino Cobras in 1970, continuing the model into 1971 with minor trim updates. 7. 2020 Ford Shelby GT 500. Looking at the latest offerings from Ford, they've just rolled out their newest addition to the lineup. The Mustang Shelby GT 500, touted as the most potent ride they've ever built. Underneath the hood, the GT 500 packs a punch with its supercharged 5.2 liters V8 engine, pumping out a jaw-dropping 760 horsepower. With an automatic transmission and 7-speed dual clutch, it promises an exhilarating driving experience. This beast of a car clocks an impressive 0 to 60 time of only 3.3 seconds, enough to quicken the pulse of any driver. It's no wonder the Mustang Shelby GT 500 has earned its stripes as one of the most formidable muscle cars in automotive history. 6. 1973 Ford Falcon XB GT. The Ford Falcon XB GT rose to fame in Mad Max, but its allure goes beyond Hollywood. The third-gen Falcon earned its reputation for performance, boasting a striking design reminiscent of the 70 Torino Cobra and 73 Mustang Fastback, while retaining some similarities with its predecessor. The third-gen Falcon featured updates like a twin scoop hood, attracting enthusiasts. The GT model, powered by a 351 Cleveland engine, churned out 300 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, thanks to lax emission standards. With only 949 XB GT coupes produced between 1973 and 1976. According to Hemmings, This rarity has made it a coveted treasure for collectors and car enthusiasts alike. 5. 1971 Ford Mustang Boss 351. The Boss 351 Mustang was a real powerhouse of a car, packing a punch with its 351 cubic inch V8 engine that boasted 330 horsepower and 370 pounds of torque. It was all about that raw power and performance. With its quick acceleration, it could hit 0 to 60 in just 5.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 100.6 miles per hour in a mere 14 seconds. But here's the kicker. Despite its impressive specs, the Boss 351 had a short-lived run. They only made 1,806 of these bad boys before they pulled the plug the next year. That scarcity has made a real gem for car buffs and collectors alike, always on the lookout for a piece of automotive history. 4. 1969 Ford Mustang Mach-1 Cobra Jet. The 1969 Ford Mustang Mach-1 Cobra Jet embodied the era's muscle car ethos. Its 428 cubic inch Cobra Jet engine packed a punch with 335 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. A functional shaker hood scoop directed cool air to the engine, enhancing performance. The Mach-1 Cobra Jet sported a bold exterior, featuring a blacked-out hood and grille, along with a distinctive Mach-1 decal. Inside, it boasted luxurious bucket seats and a stylish center console, ensuring a comfortable and premium driving experience. 3. 1967 Shelby GT 500 Fastback. The Shelby GT Fastback, arriving just before Ford delved into muscle cars, heralded a new era. This sleek coupe previewed Ford's robust roadsters, boasting a 428 cubic inch, 360 horsepower engine. Despite its compact size, the GT 500 accommodated a big block engine, retaining its elegant appearance. It featured power steering and an AM radio, pioneering luxuries at the time. With only 2,048 produced in 1967, the GT 500 was a rare sight. Nevertheless, it paved the way for Ford's future muscle cars, remaining highly coveted among enthusiasts and collectors. 2. 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. The 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is a legendary muscle car adored by collectors and enthusiasts. Its heart beats with a specially crafted 429 cubic inch V8 engine, boasting 375 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque for an exhilarating drive. Distinguished by features like its hood scoop and race-inspired suspension system, the Boss 429 commands the road with authority. With only 859 units ever produced, it holds a coveted status among collectors. Its rarity, coupled with its exceptional performance and distinctive design, cements its place as one of the most sought-after classic muscle cars in automotive history. 1. Ford Fairlane 500R Code. The 1966 Ford Fairlane 500R Code stands as a revered muscle car, celebrated for its robust 427 cubic inch V8 engine, available in medium riser and high riser configurations. It unleashed up to 425 horsepower. Bolstered by reinforced components and assertive styling, it dominated both street and drag strip realms. Today, its scarcity and performance prowess elevate it to a cherished collector's gem. This iconic vehicle embodies the golden era of American muscle cars, symbolizing power, speed, and innovation. With its distinctive design cues and unparalleled performance capabilities, the Fairlane 500R Code continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike, serving as a testament to Ford's engineering excellence and enduring legacy in the automotive world. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.